Signing up for Funds for NGOs Premium Standard Membership takes just a minute. Go to fundsforngospremium.com/pricing. You'll see a pricing table here. Just click on the Sign Up button. On the Sign Up page, you can enter your details like your full name, email address, password, and then select your country. You can also enter your phone number if you wish to receive phone support. We have 3 payment options. You can pay us using your credit or debit card. Payments are processed using the most stringent security standards such as SSL protection, PCI compliance, and card encryption. You can also select to pay using your PayPal account. For those who do not wish to pay using card or PayPal, they can opt for international bank transfer. However, we recommend you to use this option only if you can sign up for a minimum of 3 years. Before signing up, if you need an invoice, you can contact us here to request the same. So don't wait anymore. Just visit fundsforngospremium.com/pricing and sign up today.